Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis for Bank Nifty. Today is the 28th of March 2023, and the current time is 9:10 a.m. IST. The pre-open data is already out, but before talking about the pre-open data, let me just quickly give you a walkthrough in terms of what has happened yesterday. So we are sort of balancing. So we had one balance on Friday, and Monday is where we are balancing between the value area high and the point of control. This is the 6-day balance composite market profile. So we are just basically finding suppliers around 39,600 and finding the supply getting exhausted around 39,200. And these are the areas where the again the supply came in, and it was a classical range bound or sort of wish wash type of a day. um, Also, the pre-open data which is out, it is opening within above the mid of the balance. So this is the mid of the balance, and we are opening above 39,500 levels. Yeah. So yesterday again I also shared that 39,500 for me is an important level. Also previous day low was also an important level. So yeah, I did get chopped off, and overall I have made yesterday a loss of about 30%. That is around 15k is what I lost yesterday. Yeah. Now so how am I feeling? I'm not feeling sad or oh man or this or that. The reason why I was so basically I was actually in a loss of 25k. It's not that I was able to reduce this, but how am I able to control myself? So that was the reason. So basically my 41k account has reduced to around I believe 18 or 20k. I'll share that in some time. Uh, but yes, yesterday still and a great learning day in terms of how am I able to manage the risk, which are the areas I need to work upon. And I would also suggest you also do have such do test it out, because those are the things which will help you in terms of understanding yourself. What's the risk you are planning to take, and how are you going to manage your trade, and what are going to be your expectations. Okay. So in terms of how much money I have in terms of the trading, so let me just delete this, and the funds available are 27k. Yeah. So from 41k it has reduced to 27k, and this is the overall amount which I will be trading, and I always keep a SL of 5 points. So coming back to today, first of all, we are opening around 39,545. Okay, so 39,500 is the area to observe in terms of the reaction. And if I look from the order flow chart, so there are trapped buyers above. So I'm expecting supply to come in at the highs. Yeah, and then yeah, let's see how the overall price develops. But 39,500 is is one of the areas, and there are stops about 39,700, 39,800, and so basically I'm expecting some good responsive buying till 39,500 and see. I'll be observing the reaction at this particular level, and then I'll take a couple of trades based on that. So the market will open in any minute, and I'm just setting that up. And overall we are back within the February low. So overall still bullish sign in terms of the how the price has developed, how the auction has developed. But yes, I'll be looking carefully and seeing where, if I'm able to spot any trade opportunities during the live session or not, or I'll just be waiting, sitting patiently. So 39,500 again, I'm repeating again, that's where I'll be observing the reaction. We are having good buyers below, we are having some trapped buyers above. So today is Tuesday. I think today is Fin Nifty expiry, tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry. So yes, a lot of choppiness will be seen. And yeah, so the price has opened, and we are seeing a good dip below 39,500. Some choppiness action is seen, and we have tagged the point of control of, the prominent point of control of the yesterday's auction. And yeah, so I'm see let the numbers come in, but it is below 39,500 level. Yeah, so I'm expecting some supply to continue coming in, and then I'm looking for the rejection at 39,400, or at this particular level. So basically we have got trapped sellers. The inventory is short. We have got trapped sellers, and those are the ones who are currently looking to buy and take the trades. Okay, so I took one quick trade. So let the order book come in. I entered it. Yeah, it was pretty fast, 16 and 69, and I was. The reason is I was seeing supply getting shut off, at this particular level, and that's why. And then my trailing SL just got it. So when I started trailing SL, it was trading at 390, and then again it just yeah. So I was just moving my SL, and then it got hit. Let me hit this refresh. And why is the price still sustaining above the 39,500 level is what I'm looking at. Here also we are just chopping in this range, and if I just hit refresh, right, so the prominent point of control is acting as the level of support. So here it is not tagged, but yeah, this is the area where supply has been shut off. Now I'm seeing supply is coming in. Sorry, I wanted to buy a put. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so yeah, so this is the second trade which I have taken. So supply is still coming in, 321 to, yeah, so yeah, still making some execution errors. If I look from the order flow numbers, no good volume is in there, and now I'm looking for this particular low to be tagged, and yes, it is it is not happening. I'm seeing supply again coming in, and my SL are just getting hit. I had taken another trade. Yeah, but this is where my SL got hit. Again, I'm taking one more trade. Yeah, here again the SL is getting hit. Yeah, here again the SL is getting hit. So if you see, yeah, so already lost about 1%. It is still above 500. It is just chopping in this range. So let it chop. Let me just hit refresh for this particular chart. Okay, so now I'm looking at this and seeing it to the price to develop lower. Okay, so I was able to capture some move, so I was able to reduce my loss. 3002 to 316. So I entered at 918 and I exit. This is where my trailing SL got hit. But yeah, these are the funds. 27 already used, but I'm seeing supply is getting shut off. So Okay, and this got hit. Yeah, so this was the up move, 375 to 386. So that was the order. So 919 to 920, and so the reason why I entered the long is, it looked below and failed. Now I'm expecting it to continue higher, and yes, overall I'm in a slight profit. But yeah, so this is how I scalp generally. I take my trades, and 39,000 now is acting as the level of support, for the current auction. And now I'm looking to see if it tags the L period high. Yeah, so looking at the numbers, nothing much. Yeah, let it continue 39,500. So I'm looking now for the supply to shut off. Supply is shutting off, it to go higher. The numbers are not so decent enough in terms of gaining confidence. We have supply above. If we look at, so let me hit refresh to this chart, and you see here the supply is still coming in. Yeah, so we are way within the balance. Here also we are way within the balance, and here we have some rejection at the weekly VWAP. Okay, so yes, let some more data points do come in, and now we are seeing good supply chop off, and now the reaction is at 39,500 in terms of how the price reacts here. Okay, so I entered a quick long trade just now, 385 to 388. Yeah, my trailing SL got hit, but yeah, about this is some small peanuts, and now I'm seeing this will break. So I'm just looking for this thing to break. Yes, it has broken, and now I'm just trailing my SL. Yeah, so my SL is hit now. Yeah, so 3012 to 316. Yeah, so about 1% already gained. And yes, again, the reason why I took a short trade is, so I took a long trade, it got hit. That gave me a hint that supply is coming in. Then again, the price started moving lower. So once it retests, then I would look it to continue higher, hit the stops higher, but yeah, it did not. What happened is it again, so I was looking for it to move lower and clear the liquidity below this particular level, and it did. And yeah, so this is what I made at the moment, and overall between these two, four, about I don't know how many trades, but yeah, if you see my entry exit, right, 9 seconds, 2 seconds, just some 20 seconds, but yeah, so this is what are my entry and exit. And now supply is going to be strong, looking for continuation lower, and let's see how the price action develops, and based on that, because lower area is where I'm seeing good buying present, and I'm looking for some reversals now. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed, and also we also have a prominent point of control, so odds are higher that okay, this was a liquidity crunch or liquidity grab move. Now I'm looking for an up move, and so first is I'll be looking at 39,500 as an area to observe, and then I'll be taking the next set of trades. Okay, so yeah, thank you again. And yesterday I made a big loss. Today I started with some small profits, and yeah. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. So have a great expiry. Yeah. Thank you. Bye for now.